Anytime.
How do you know the gold is in there?
When you have Ormus gold is an acronym. It's orbitally rearranged monatomic elements. And with this elemental gold and in its own spin, normal gold, as we know it, on the periodic table, has two hydrogens. And that's why it loves to bond. So what ends up happening is when it's in its own dimension of spinning, in its own little force, it becomes neutral. And those atoms are rearranged, and those extra hydrogen atoms are just put into a different spin where they don't want to bond, they don't want to connect, they just want their own space. So in turn, how we know it's in the water is that it's not bonding, it's not reacting, but what ends up happening is it's oxygenating. And what metals do is they do a redox reaction. And what ends up happening is for every electron, they give electrons away. They take and they give, they take and they give. This becomes the ultimate communicator because it does not want to exchange anything. And the molecule itself, the gold powder, the white gold, should have its own periodic element on the chart, but it does not. We do not know that white gold exists. Even though we can call it platinum, or we can call it gold, but we cannot call it something white gold. The reason for that is that this is its own life force. It does not fit into the box. It does not exchange electrons like it should, and it doesn't exchange hydrogen atoms like it should. Therefore, it allows bonds to break in the force of its spin.